Hello everyone, welcome to the Codeness. We have successfully created our repository, unit of work, DB context file, already created the tables. Now it's time to come, we have to create our controllers. So just close all those tabs. Now collapse all these things. Now open this, right click on the controller, click and add controller. Now there are the multiple option API controller, Blazor, MVC. So we have to choose MVC controller. But again, they have several options: MVC controller, MT, read write operation, or with the entity framework code. So I'm going to select the basic one, MT. So just click on the add. Now define the name of that controller. So I'm going to give the name called product controller. Now click on the add button. As you can see, the product controller is created. Now just run the application and try to access this controller. So when the application is running it successfully, then we go to called product. So it will give you the exception. The reason of showing this, maybe you will receive the is this exception, so you should understand how to fix this. That it will say invalid operation, the view index was not found, the following location we have searched. That means they try to say you we already searched in the product folder and the share folder, but will not found because we have not created the index.cshtml file. Now I'm going to create this file, right click and go to add view. Then there is another option empty, and the razor I'm going to use the empty. Then it will add the empty. So we can name the index. Now again try to run, then we can say that h3 called product list. Now run the program again, then we can show the product, then hit enter. So it will show the proper product list page. So here I'm going to show add the product list. Before we show the list, we have to create the for the create. Now just copy and paste and just give the name to create and right click, add view, empty, and click on the add view, and then we give the name to create. Now so as you can see, all the view are going to be here, product create index office for the product edit also come under the product folder. So let's give the name h3 create product. Then we again have to define one more in the edit mode. Either we can use the same, but as for the beginner I'm going to create the separate view called add view, then again empty. So we can say in the edit h3 edit product. Now just run and reconfirm all the view are created successfully. Then we can say that product, then we can have today create, then edit. Okay, so in this way we have created a three different view. Now in the next video I am going to show you how to add the HTML in all those views. We start with the create product. So thank you for watching this video.